Today, we're diving into the ultimate experiences that Niagara Falls has to offer. From thrilling boat cruises to breathtaking helicopter rides, let's explore every corner of this natural wonder together. Experience the iconic Voyage to the Falls boat tour, enjoy the Falls fireworks cruise, or choose between the dry or wet thrills of the Niagara Falls Whirlpool jet tours. Explore Niagara Falls from unique perspectives with our tours. Enjoy breathtaking views from the Skylon Tower, thrilling boat rides, and intimate walking tours behind the falls and the power station. For a bird's eye view of this natural wonder, nothing beats the Niagara Falls Canada helicopter tour. Soar above the falls and capture breathtaking views that will stay with you forever. Our day tours and evening tours offer the perfect way to experience Niagara Falls from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Whether it's a day filled with adventure or an evening of enchanting views, we have the perfect tour for you. For those seeking a more exclusive experience, our Niagara Falls Luxury Private Tour offers a personalized journey from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Enjoy the falls in style with our tailored private tours. Join us at ToNiagara and discover the many ways to experience the wonder of Niagara Falls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our exciting tours and experiences.